welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see and click that bell to get notifications from me. Today we're going to be having lots of fun using our Morphe 35I Icy Fantasy palette. You guys have probably seen me use this on my channel already, but I want to have fun and do a palette bingo with this. I've done palette bingos with other palettes before. I've done it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel Palette, as well as the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. They're lots of fun, they really are. So today, it's this one's turn. I do pick 5 numbers for these palette bingos, and all you do is go to Google, put in random number picker or random number generator, and then you're going to put in, it already has the minimum for you there. All you have to do is put in the max. This palette does have 35 different shadows in it, so that's why we put 35 as our max. And I do go by rows, so this is going to be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on and on and on. Also, and I do write them down just so I don't forget. Let's go ahead and generate number 1. Oh, what we have? 15. Number 15 is this one right here, Get Fresh. Next number, we have 1. Number 1 is right up here, Whiteout. Shadow number 3. We have number 23. Number 23 is this one right here, Rosy Haze. 2 more numbers to go. We have 29. 29 is down here, Hush. And last and final number, come on, let's make this exciting, 27. 27 is down here, Arctic Abyss. I think this palette bingo was very nice to me, not gonna lie. Sometimes you get some super random numbers and the colors you get, it's like, what am I gonna do with this? But this is gonna be fun. I'm excited, I am ready for this. Let's go ahead and begin with our number 15, Get Fresh. And the times that I have used this, I just use it as an overall lid shade because that's how it just comes out to me. So I'm going to kind of place this like I usually would, just all over the lid, just to have that base down there. I didn't prime or anything, no concealer, no primer. So you can kind of see that like brighten up my eyes. Next, I want to go in with our number 29, Hush. I want to put this on the inner part of my crease. Next, I'll be going in with our number 27, Arctic Abyss. I wiped off that brush. I'm going to be using the same brush. And this I'm going to be applying to the outer part of my crease. And this I know is darker purple, so it's going to work out just perfect. I did go ahead and put my little paper where I wrote down the numbers. I aligned it just like this and went over it with my brush lightly just to get it more like precise, more sharp. Next, I do want to go in with our number 1, Whiteout. But before that, I do want to have cut my crease with the white base. So I'm taking the NYX white base right here in just 01. Just with a flat brush, I'm going to start applying it here onto my eyelid. Look up, and then it's going to mark where to cut your crease. I'm going to drag it maybe a little bit more than halfway. Wipe off that brush, and now we can go in with the Whiteout shade, placing it directly on top of that white base. Taking that brush that we were using earlier for the crease shadows, we're going to just take it here. Tell the difference between this eye that is done and this one that I still need to work on. I'm also going to go ahead and add the tiniest bit of white into my inner corner. Of course, my inner corner doesn't have the same white base that my eyelid does, so it's not going to look as white. It is going to have a little bit of that shadow there. And then finally, last, we have our number 23, Rosy Haze. This one is a lot more of a topper shade than an actual shadow, but it's going to look really pretty on top of that white. My debate was, I don't know if I wanted to put it here in the middle, right here, or if I wanted to put it towards the inner part and then have the white and then that. Here it is on my finger. I just lightly dipped into it. Decisions. You know what? Yeah. We're gonna put it on the inner part of my eyelid. I think it's gonna make it pop out a lot more. You're gonna be able to see it a lot better. I'm gonna try first applying it with this brush. Since it is on the inner part of my eyelid, I can't really get in there precisely with my long fingernails. So I hope this brush works for that purpose. I kind of went in with my finger so I can blend it right here. Let's see. Let me take a little bit more white on my finger. Oh yeah, I think that's good. Right there. Look guys, as you saw, I did add my wing and mascara, highlight, and just a simple gloss, and nothing too crazy there. And then I was contemplating for the longest time whether I should add a shadow to the lower lash line, and I decided after all, of course, not to. And the more I look at this look like now completed and all put together, I'm really happy with it. I especially love, and I'm obsessed with the pink. Looking at the Icy Fantasy palette, I was expecting more like of a pastel look. The most colorful shadow that I ended up getting was this one right here. I mean, I'm not mad at the look. I mean, I worked with it, but I was definitely expecting more of like a brighter, colorful pastel look. But that is okay because I am definitely going to be using this again for another palette bingo, so expect more palette bingos using this palette. And give palette bingo a try, guys. It's super fun and simple. I usually choose 5 colors. If you want to do less or more, it's up to you. 5 is a good number for me. If you have a favorite palette and you want to experiment with it more, or if you want to just get out of the same look that you always do out of your favorite palette, do this. If you have a colorful palette and you don't know how exactly to use it, have fun with it and do a palette bingo. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!